Hey food lovers, welcome back to the ingredient channel where we dive into exciting homemade Chinese recipes. Today, I'm thrilled to share a special treat, beef tendon and onion stir fry. This recipe is a bit more intricate than usual, but trust me, the incredible flavor makes it all worth it. Plus, beef tendon is packed with collagen and elastin, low in fat, and a fantastic protein source. What's not to love? Let's dive right into the recipe. Starting with the tendon, I'm using about 1.5 pounds. First, marinate it with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Massage the liquid in, then cover and refrigerate for about 2 hours. Then, next, transfer the tendons to an instant pot. Add our special braising sauce. For details on this sauce, check out the Chinese Spiced Beef Shank recipe on my channel and see the video description for ingredients. To the pot, add a few slices of ginger, 1 scallion, 2 bay leaves, 4 to 5 pieces of rock candy, 2 star anise, and 2 teaspoons of Sichuan peppercorns. Pressure cook for 35 minutes. Once cooked, the tendons should be tender and can be enjoyed as is, or you can cool it down and use it as an appetizer. Today, we're taking it a step further with a stir fry and only need about half of the braised tendons. Slice an onion into pieces. And chop a scallion. Cut the tendons into thin slices. If you've let the tendons cool down like I did, it might be a bit firm, but it is still manageable. Heat up 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wok over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns and cook until they darken. Then lower the heat and remove the peppercorns. Reserve about 1.5 tablespoons of this peppercorn oil for later. Add the onion pieces to the wok and stir until they turn golden brown. Next, toss in the tendon slices and stir them together. Season with 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Pour in about a quarter cup of water and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to soften the tendons. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of chili pepper flakes and add a starch slurry made from 1 teaspoon of starch mixed 1 tablespoon of water. Before finishing, drizzle in the reserved 1.5 tablespoons of peppercorn oil for extra color and flavor. Transfer everything to a plate. Garnish with scallions and serve with a cup of rice. If you are a meat lover, this dish will definitely brighten your day. It certainly did mine. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy home Chinese recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.